This problem is actually not a co-challenge for black. Black can actually make a living shape. So the author of this problem made a mistake in classifying this as a co-challenge. So if you thought this was a co-challenge, please reconsider and see if black can make a living shape. So if you're ready, let's look at this problem together. Black needs to address this weakness first. If it ignores it like this, then white can clamp here and connect back with 2 and 4. So black will fail this way. Even if black plays here, white can still kind of make this move. Forcing black to play at number 5, this will be a connecting die, but it's only one real eye, and white will just destroy this other real eye, and black will be dead. Or white can play this right away. If black plays this, white can play this or this. Just many choices for white. So number 1 here or here will not work. But this will work, because now if white plays on this side, black can make an extra eye here, along with killing these 2 white stones. If white plays here, then black can Atari this way. If white captures, black can actually make an extra eye here, and white cannot connect back. This will be a connect and die. And if white destroys black's eye this way, black can either play this or this. If white captures, then black can Atari here. White cannot fill in here, and eventually black will be able to capture like this, and this will be 2 real eyes. And if white plays here, black can play this move, standing down. And now, if white comes in here, black can increase eye space. White can try to cut, doesn't matter, black can capture here. Now white must come in like this, but this way, black will be able to capture a bent 4 shape. But of course, if the liberty on the outside is occupied here, black needs to make another move, or not. If white comes in here, all black needs to do is to play this move, preserving this eye, allowing white to capture these 5, and now black can actually capture them back. So black is quite resilient after capturing the bent 4 shape. If white tries this move, then once again, black will be able to Atari this way, right? White cannot fill in, and black will be able to capture white like this. So number 1 and 3 will guarantee black survival. It's not a co. Similarly, this move should work. If white plays on the outside like this will go back to the previous pattern. Similarly, this will do as well. If white plays on the inside like this, black can just play this move. Now if white plays on the outside, black can play this, right? This will be back to the previous pattern, or white will allow black to capture a bent 4 shape, which is a living shape. And of course, if white plays here, black can build an extra eye. If white plays here, then what happens is that black can play this move, increasing eye space. White comes in and destroys this eye, black connects, and now what's happening is that this will be a seki, or mutual life shape. White can play on the outside like this, right? White cannot play on the inside, because this way, this will be a living shape. So white is thinking about the bulky 5 that could be made. So white must play on the outside, and now black must connect this cutting point. And now neither side can play on these 2 mutual liberties. So that is why this is a seki. And if white plays on it, eventually this will be a 6 space eye, which is a living shape. And if black plays on it, this will be a bulky 5 shape. Black will be dead. So neither side can play, but black is alive. So I think I covered all the main variations stemming from this move and this move. Of course, you're free to try some of the other variations on your own and see what happens. Also see if you can get to a ko with some of the other first moves. Good luck, and thank you for watching.